player of the match. So I feel great. This is actually a dream come true for us. When we won the WAFU, our target was to qualify to the final and also to win the trophy. And this is actually one step closer to.
So not really, because we just registered them. They are new players, so this is their first outing. So I wouldn't be surprised to have seen what I saw. Our scoring abilities are our challenges. Now we are working on it. Very soon, when the league starts, you see the output of the team.
Definitely, because we started on a very high note, but you see, injuries or suspension just gave us some little break. But I'm telling you, second round, RTU is coming back stronger and stronger and stronger, because you see Abagna and other colleagues will be coming back strongly. So just hope for a better second round. Yeah.
Otumfo is more than that. Se koto asantifo nimwa me catch omo. Se bi we encourage se man. Pana me catch king of Ashanti. Ade woto no ho. Sponsorship na edi omu logo. Na ade no e wono. Wudi ni picture e wono. Otumfo won lady war na wa call na wa faili. Football anything can happen. Me here I don't support. Me here appeal to elders of the Ashanti. No muntu ya skanu na yentoma supporters no ko change. One who be that way we say. One who be that. One who be that. Me de me fan e kwan bi so eni bi enim. Me say eni bi enim. De no ma ya draws and the one advice sebi me nim bi. Team ben the one who say in the world. Why is that? What you man ya omuntu inside.
Station with Yaman Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station with Yaman Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
You are always on my case. Now they give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace. So I thank you, my Jesus.
Station with Yaman Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the desire to shout.
Station with Yaman Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
My Lord.